Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on the new Ranger RCI 99N2. I've been meaning to do a little review on this and just frankly haven't had time. Ranger really hit the ball out of the park with this one. A lot of you guys are big fans of the X9. This is the X9 on steroids. So what Ranger did, they took the X9 base part of the radio and they added the 2970N2 amp section on the back that has the 8 IRF 520 MOSFET transistors. Okay, so you've got the stabilization of a Ranger product on sideband. This is all surface mount, no drift. Then you've got some nice power as well, and really the look of a Galaxy. I love the white LEDs, easy on the eyes. You can change your colors here to whatever you want to change them to, and dim them however you'd like. Right here, you got talk back, echo, power adjustment, a fine-tuned receive adjustment for the sideband, just for your receive. Your bands go down to 24 megahertz. Flip it over to high, go all the way up to 29 megahertz. So plenty of room to work with there. You got a SWR meter, automatic calibrates it, modulation meter and power meter, noise blanker and A&L, and then of course AM upper and lower sideband. What's this switch here? Oh yes, good job Ranger. An amp on off switch from the factory right there. So let's just go ahead and show you. I've already set this one up with my standard tuning alignment, nothing extra. Or the R power all the way down, 25 watt slug. It's at 1 watt all the way down. Roll it all the way up. Looking about 7 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. So, about 14 bird or so. 100 watt slug, PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2 audio, 1 2 audio. So about 42, 43 watts. So you could use this radio with one of your amplifiers that doesn't need a ton of drive. Let's go ahead and put the 100 watt slug over here on the average side. 250 watt slug in PEP. And if you guys are familiar with the N2 and the 98 VHPs, you kind of know what's about to happen here. Flip this on. We're going to start with R power all the way down. 100 watt slug. We set it about 5 watts all the way down. That way if you're going to run like a 6 pill, 8 pill or something, you have full adjustability. Roll it all the way up. 55 watts. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. 100 watts, a bird average easy. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 audio. Dancing all around the 250 watt scale. And let's just go ahead and roll the R power all the way down. So you're wanting to key, the 5 watts, and swing into it. Hello, 1 2 1 2 audio. 1 2 audio. Smooth 250 that way as well. All right. There you have it, the RCI 99N2 by Ranger. These are going to be available on the website, www.truckscbsales.com, and I'll leave a link in the description. Everybody have a good day from your friend Truck. www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.